Good morning, Bill. So what do we have today?
We're gonna install the PCM, the CarPlay, the whole 9 yards. Yeah.
Well, backup camera already is working, right?
Yeah, they're already working. We're just gonna install them with that new PCM.
Oh, okay.
I just like the overall look. That's about it.
Okay.
The existing one is Kenwood, and it works fine.
Okay.
Navigation, all that thing works fine, but with your new functionality in the existing OEM, to me seems pretty attractive.
All right.
So that's what I'm looking to do.
Sounds good. Well, let's take a look what we have first, and then let's get started. All right. So first thing first, we're gonna hook up battery power, backup power to your car. All right. We need to connect this to your car. All right. So this is a 991.1.
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow, a lot of glare. Nice. You got a Porsche logo when you start up. Close the door. I don't think I can put it in reverse. Closing the door. All right. I see the lines. Okay, turn your steering wheel. Okay, so that
There's no additional.
so they don't really turn.
They don't turn. They're fixed.
That's about to change today.
Yeah. Right. The Sport Chrono doesn't work. The log doesn't work, and the navigation that used to show up right here, that was cloned from the Porsche display PCM, that doesn't work because when they installed the Kenwood, they had to use the wire, or either somehow or another, he said they would disconnect the data port over there in the glove box.
Okay, so even.
Yeah, which is right down here at the bottom where my thumb is.
Yeah, I see.
So that's
that
not
doesn't
functioning.
work.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually the map that displays up here, it went away too, and
Okay.
all these functions right here.
Audio, phone, map, and navigation.
Yeah,
gone, right?
yeah, all those went away.
We're gonna.
Yeah, but now we've got to re-enable, so we'll
Yep.
put them back in functional.
Yep. We're
There
gonna
you go.
make it work again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this will bring everything back to OEM.
Yep. All right, we're doing the check right now.
Absolutely wonderful. We got this thing put back together. Everything is working perfectly.
All right.
Even re-glued a clip that had been broken, not by us, by somebody else. We got this thing back in better shape than we started with. I've got complete functionality from PCM, that's the Porsche radio. And now I have 9XX that gives me CarPlay and a bunch of other neat things. One of them I can't discuss. But if you have an iPhone and you're pretty smart with an iPhone and Apple TV, you'll figure it out.
Cool.
This son of a gun, I can't wait to try it though. Just don't know. I can't do it while I'm under official reviews.
Hey, Bill.
Hey, yeah.
What are you doing?
Hey, I am playing with my new functionality
What new functionality?
designed by 9XX Research.
What is that? Can you show us some?
This is incredible.
What do you mean?
Well, you want me to tell them?
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
So
Tell me.
I'm doing screen mirroring.
What is that?
I'm doing, Apple has a function called screen mirroring. Android has something else. It's called another function. So I am mirroring my iPhone to my Porsche display device. So in other words, if I want to watch a video or anything, so here's Fox News, and I'm scrolling down, just showing you. Look at this. All of you're seeing on my Porsche screen is coming from my iPhone, which is using screen mirroring.
What?
Isn't that cool?
No, that's not cool. No, stop it. Stop it. This is not endorsed by 9XX.
I know, but it's an interesting function.
No. You don't do that. No, go back to CarPlay.
Go back to first.
Go back to go.
All right, so I'll stop mirroring.